How did you just become more beautiful in 20 seconds?
Do you want to kiss me?
But I don't know how.
You will.
화성에 관한 연구를 멈추지 않았던 인간들, 슬슬 족간의 초기화를 준비 중인 지구를 대신해 제네시스라는 우주 탐사 기업은 화성으로 6명의 우주인을 보내기로 했습니다.
Not to visit but to live there. The first true citizens of Mars.
리더인 사라를 중심으로 출발해 성공적으로 화성 수송기에 도착했죠. 하지만 이들의 계획에 차질이 생깁니다.
Show it to me.
전쟁통에도 아이는 태어난다고 사라가 임신을 했습니다.
Oh, this is a disaster.
겨드랑이가 흥건해질 정도로 놀란 나타니엘.
It's her decision too.
이대로 프로젝트를 접을 수 없었죠. 그렇게 임신을 한 상태에서 화성에 도착한 사라는 곧바로 출산을 준비합니다. 하지만 사라의 행복은 그리 오래가지 않았죠. 임신 중독으로 끝내 숨이 끊어진 사라. 임신한 상태로 10달 동안 우주에서 버텼던 사라. 하지만 문제는 이것만이 아니었죠.
2/3 less gravity will alter the child's internal organs. The heart will simply not be conditioned to have the strength to pump in the Earth's gravity. Bones will be brittle, probably oversized.
사라의 죽음과 아이의 존재가 세상에 알려지게 된다면 이번 프로젝트의 후원은 전부 끊기게 될 것입니다.
We're not only talking about a secret, we're talking about a cover-up. It will bring the company down.
Unless we don't cover up, we take full responsibility. We face it head on.
So the child remains on Mars?
결국 모든 사실을 감춘 채 화성에서 아이를 키우기로 했죠. 중력 따윈 없는 화성에서 자란 지구 출신 외계인.
Centaur, can you make me a map?
상당히 할렐루야스러운 얼굴로 자라준 가드너.
A machine which I helped to build.
That hurts my feelings.
Get me a map of the ventilation system.
Information classified.
역시 과학자들 사이에서 자라서 그런지 호기심으로 가득했던 가드너.
Mission number.
특히 그 중에서 엄마 사라를 궁금해했죠.
Sorry if we only have time
Hey,
for
Mom.
a couple of questions.
To be continued.
그리고 죽은 사라를 대신해 캔드라는 가드너에게 가족이 되어주었습니다.
Have you seen this? I mean,
Works better if you turn it on.
그럼에도 가드너의 머릿속 물음표는 사라지지 않았죠.
We'll make you indispensable yet.
how can I be indispensable if no one knows I exist?
존재 자체가 극비였기에 세상의 존재를 알릴 수 없었던 가드너.
Virtual visit.
What would you do without me?
I'm gonna miss you.
하지만 이런 가드너에게도 친구는 있었습니다.
Because misery loves company.
Why are you miserable?
Just dealing with the basic people of the school.
우연히 툴사라는 친구를 사귀게 되었던 가드너.
Ah, right. You can't leave your house.
I can't leave because of my disease.
Yeah, still don't believe you.
툴사에게 자신이 화성인이라고 이야기하지는 못하지만 이런 시간이 가드너에게는 너무 소중했죠.
See you in the funny papers.
You always say that. What does it mean?
I don't know. I had a foster sister in Oklahoma who used to say it all the time. Just a different way of saying goodbye. I like it. Talk tomorrow.
화성에 갇힌 가드너도 답답했지만 툴사 역시 지구가 답답하긴 마찬가지였습니다.
Awesome parenting. Seriously. Risk my life for $190.
점점 사춘기가 오면 더 반항적으로 변하는 가드너.
Are you insane? Do you think the exit protocol doesn't apply to you?
I wouldn't understand. My mother's out there.
And how did you even learn how to do that?
Raised by scientists. In a bubble.
That plaque for your mother, it's just a piece of metal in the ground, okay? Her ashes were spread across the Pacific Ocean. She's not out there. Gardner, she's in you.
이제 아이에게 자유가 필요하다고 느낀 캔드라는 제네시스의 대표인 나타니엘을 설득해봅니다.
You've been gone for 16 years. You dropped off the face of the
Have
earth.
you run this by NASA?
They want to bring the boy home. Look, this is our chance to turn bad PR into good PR.
Oh, wait a minute. This has nothing to do with PR. I'm talking about a boy's life.
Hang on. Founder, like it or not, East Texas is still my brainchild.
I have some news.
드디어 지구로 갈 수 있게 된 가드너.
It will involve an operation and some physical therapy.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Assuming all goes well, I'm coming to see you. See you in the funny papers.
가드너가 지구에서 이루고 싶은 첫 번째 목표는 연애입니다.
Entirely dead. At least not in Nantucket.
Bravo. Well done.
두 번째는 엄마의 흔적을 찾는 것이었죠.
Why'd you get divorced?
Well, he changed when we found out I couldn't have children.
My father's somewhere on that thing. We could go and find him. We don't have to tell him who I am. I could just see him, you know?
Gardner, I promise. I don't know anything about him. Nobody does.
드디어 꿈에 그리던 지구에 도착한 가드너.
Gardner, how are you feeling?
Water.
Okay?
There's water everywhere.
그렇게 천천히 지구에 적응해가고 있죠.
Sorry about the quarantine.
Same bubble, different planet. Nothing's changed, has it?
How you doing?
I'm fine. Yeah, I just weigh so much.
최대한 아이의 건강을 체크하는 게 우선이었지만 가드너는 자신을 화성으로 돌려보낼 거라고 생각했고 결국 가스를 유출시켜 탈출을 시도합니다.
There's been a breach. Where? Quarantine.
I don't believe this. He's tipped the pressure.
Raised by scientists.
옷과 약간의 돈을 훔치고 허술한 경비를 이용해 탈출에 성공한 가드너.
I like your shades.
I like yours.
You want to trade?
Do you know where Colorado is?
Greyhound Station's about a 3-iron in that direction.
What's your favorite thing about Earth?
Dreaming. How about you?
So far, meeting you.
Weird kid.
처음으로 비도 맞아보고 버스도 타며 지구에서 잘 적응하고 있죠.
How do we know for sure he's going to see her?
Because she's the only person he knows on Earth.
툴사를 만나기 위해 먼 길을 달려온 가드너.
It's me. It's Gardner.
Oh!
What was that for?
Why did you ghost me like that?
가드너가 화성에서 지구에 오기까지 7개월이 걸렸고 그동안 그녀와 연락하지 못했었습니다.
I would never ghost on you. Okay, I've actually gone through quite a lot to get here.
You're taller than I thought you'd be.
You're meaner than I thought you'd be.
Tell me where you're really from.
Mars. This is my mother. But this is my father. You're gonna help me find him. I don't know where he is, but...
Well, you have your father's smile.
지독한 얼빠인 게 확실한 툴사는 수상한 화성인 가드너를 계속 데리고 다니죠.
Alright, you stay here?
가드너의 아빠 찾기를 돕기로 한 툴사.
Gardner, you need to come with me now.
No, this is my life.
Gardner, please. Come on,
I'm
just
going
come
to
with
find
us.
my father.
That's not true. You have me.
Kendrick, you told me yourself. You don't want children.
Gardner, that's not what I meant. You know that.
You never wanted children, and I'm sorry you had to raise me at all.
자신을 화성으로 돌려보낼 거라고 생각했던 가드너.
Alright, you're gonna need to get in! Hurry! No! Gardner, take a seat, please!
얼굴 보증 수표에 제대로 믿음이 생겼는지 툴사는 가드너를 목숨 걸고 구해줍니다.
You know how to fly this, right?
잘 날아가나 싶었지만
I know, right?
No, Gardner, the oil pressure!
아빠가 아니라 엄마를 만나러 가게 생긴 가드너.
Right! Right!
It doesn't have brakes! We're gonna have to jump! Let's jump!
No!
다행히 목숨을 건진 두 사람.
No bodies. They're alive. Somewhere.
You had one job to protect Gardner, to keep him from making contact with the outside world.
You're hanging this on me? And you want to know what? We've been shouldering East Texas for you. The whole mission was your job, your responsibility. You just gave up. I mean, where were you?
일단 차부터 훔치고 다음 계획을 준비합니다.
Friend of yours?
Where are we going?
Anywhere off the grid. Disabling the phone. When you said that you killed your mother, what exactly did you mean by that?
She died giving birth to me.
툴사에게 자신이 온 화성의 이야기부터 차차 해주지만 툴사는 가드너가 거짓말을 하고 있다고 생각했죠.
Tulsa, I'm not lying to you. My mother was an astronaut. She made a mistake. I was born on Mars. Just because something sounds crazy to you doesn't mean it's not true.
Okay, maybe you actually believe it yourself.
Sorry you're angry.
I'm not angry.
Allow me, won't you?
What are you doing?
Chivalry's not dead. At least not in Nantucket.
미친 소리라지만 얼굴도 미쳤으니까 한 번 더 믿어보는 투사.
We need a device that's not being traced. You want to know where your father is, right?
우선 가드너의 엄마인 사라에 관해 조사를 해봅니다.
Pay for my rap and I won't tell.
No. We don't have money.
My mother was wearing this when she died. It's some sort of ring.
Reunion of the Haves. Love, eternity. Signed, Shaman Neka. Gardner, I think this is some kind of wedding ring.
한편 에타의 가드너를 찾고 있는 나타니엘과 캔드라.
Where is he?
We got him.
Are you okay?
You're right, Kendra. I gave up. I withdrew. And the greater the pressure to re-emerge, the more I retreated. As long as he was just a face on the screen, I could almost handle it. Sentencing a boy to a life he never asked for. But it's like the malignancy of any secret. It just kept getting worse. I dealt with the problem. I just had no idea what the solution would do to me. And it's still killing me. I need to make this right.
그리고 여기서 더 안 좋은 소식이 들려오죠.
Elevated troponin and Gardner.
So, but in conjunction with elevated levels of troponin, he's suffering from an enlarged heart. His heart can't handle our atmosphere.
시간이 얼마 안 남았지만 아무것도 모르고 지구의 짠맛에 감탄하는 가드너.
Right. Go change?
No, there are cameras.
Alright. But look, this is the last of our money, so we'll buy the clothes, then change.
가드너가 옷을 갈아입는 사이 툴사는 마트에서 자작곡을 부르며 시간을 보냅니다.
Break my heart, break my hands. You can laugh, have your fun.
Is that your song?
Maybe.
It's beautiful.
What goes on in there?
I don't know. Oh, and I'm driving this time.
In your dreams.
Play that again.
Moving aimlessly. Why New Mexico?
화성에서 왔지만 지구에 사는 나보다 운전을 잘하는 가드너.
You're so beautiful.
Because you may want to just play it cool, you know? Ease yourself into the love game.
But I do think you're beautiful.
Gotta calm down.
I don't want to calm down. You're blushing.
Not blushing.
아무리 잘생겨도 이건 좀...
Both hands on the wheel?
No.
개 같은 세상.
총 가져와.
An idea.
지구에서 너무 좋은 경험을 하는 가드너.
How did you just become more beautiful in 20 seconds?
Do you want to kiss me?
But I don't know how.
You will.
본능이 시키는 대로 메롱메롱을 하기 시작하죠.
You don't understand. On Mars, people, they didn't do this.
Shut up, Gardner.
I'm gonna fall in love with you, and I'll fall to Earth. I'll be just like you. Okay, I'll shut up now.
어린 것들이 너무 깊은 역사를 만들어 버렸습니다.
This is reservation property. The tourist lookout is 15 miles that way.
We hope we're not intruding, but we're looking for Shaman Neka.
우연히 엄마의 결혼식을 주관했던 샤먼을 만났죠.
So, I made this ring 16 years ago. The other half of this ring is with your father.
Doesn't say his name.
No, she paid. That's her address.
갑자기 코피를 흘리기 시작하는 가드너.
I think this is it. Yeah, wait a second. I think that's... We found it.
Let's go.
툴사와의 사랑도 축복받으며 완벽한 순간을 보내고 있지만 점점 몸에 이상이 오기 시작했습니다.
It's not how I pictured it. It's hurting my head to see it like this.
그토록 찾던 아버지 집에 거의 다 왔지만 겨우 코앞에서 쓰러지고만 가드너.
I want to scan him.
Okay, radiology, stat.
Where's he from?
I don't know.
Look at this. I've never seen anything like it before.
Oh my God, what is that?
His heart is grossly enlarged.
He wasn't lying.
곧 있으면 나타니엘과 캔드라가 오기에 툴사는 미리 작별 인사를 하죠.
Hey, you have to stay here. Gardner.
We were going to Summerland.
You can't. They're gonna help you.
There's nothing they can do. No matter how much I want Earth, Earth doesn't want me.
마지막일 수도 있는 가드너의 소원을 들어주기로 합니다.
My luck could change.
They're headed north in California. I know where they're going.
인생을 GTA처럼 살아보는 투사.
You're not dead.
It scared me.
You act like you hate the world so much, Tulsa. It's all an act. The beautiful music you make gives you away.
드디어 사진 속의 장소에 도착한 두 사람.
Gardner, we're here. Hey, we're here.
This is the best place I've been so far.
He's gonna love you.
익숙한 뒷모습의 남성에게 다가갑니다.
Hello?
남성에게 사진을 건네는 가드너.
Where did you get this photo?
My mother was Sarah Elliott. She died giving birth to me.
Sarah Elliott died from pressure suit failure.
You're my father.
I'm not your father. I'm calling the police.
완전히 존재를 부정당했다고 생각합니다.
Sarah Elliott was my sister.
You gotta get some help. Please get some help! Gardner!
큰 결심을 하고 바다로 향하는 가드너.
He's not your father. He's your uncle.
It doesn't matter anymore. I didn't get to choose where I was born, but I get to choose where I die.
Tulsa, what's your favorite thing about Earth?
You are Gardner.
See you in the funny papers.
자신의 존재 이유를 찾고 있던 아이는 작은 추억을 안고 엄마의 곁으로 가는 걸 선택하죠. 가드너를 구하기 위해 바다로 뛰어든 나타니엘.
Gardner! Gardner!
What was she like? My mother.
She was fearless. She made me want to give up living when she died.
You loved her.
사실 가드너의 아버지는 나타니엘이었습니다.
I knew I would find you.
You're not alone. Stay with me, Gardner.
이제 가드너에겐 시간이 얼마 남지 않았죠.
His blood pressure's dropping. We have to get him out of our gravity.
You have to take the plane higher. I'm taking control. I'm taking us into the stratosphere.
Excuse me?
Although I warn you, one of you may need to take over.
You've done this before.
Yes, virtually.
가드너를 살리기 위해 물불 안 가리는 나타니엘.
No, we gotta go higher.
Are we on my planet?
No.
Are we on yours?
No. You have to go back.
Oh, Tulsa,
I hate it. I hate it.
I love you, Tulsa.
I love you.
You should buy us the time we need.
And you? You okay?
This is good to know.
지구에서 어느 정도 회복을 마친 가드너는 이제 다시 화성으로 떠날 준비를 합니다.
I'm gonna miss you, Gardner. More than anything else in the world.
You're the best mom I never had.
Safe travels, okay?
Nice ride.
You're amazing, and I had the time of my life with you. But the last thing I'm gonna do is actually tell you that.
You just did.
영화 스페이스 비트윈 어스는 SF 로맨스 장르의 작품으로 줄무늬 파자마를 입은 소년과 오티스의 비밀 상담소 시리즈의 A사, 해리포터 시리즈의 시리우스 블랙으로 익숙한 게리 올드만이 함께 출연했고 총 제작비 3천만 달러가 들어간 영화입니다. 로튼 토마토 신선도 17%, 관객 점수 55%라는 처참한 결과를 받았고 IMDb에서는 6.4점으로 나름 괜찮은 점수를 받았죠. 하지만 대부분 평가가 좋지 않은 편에 속해서 그런지 흥행은 역대급 실패를 기록했고 한국에서도 미녀와야수와 료건과 같은 작품과 겹치면서 큰 주목을 받지 못했습니다. 뒷부분의 개연성 문제, 스토리의 빈약함으로 영화 후반은 최악이라는 평가를 받았지만 여전히 이 작품이 한 번씩 언급되는 이유는 딱 하나 에이사 배우의 미모 때문이라고 생각해요. 솔직히 앞부분 영화 내용은 흥미롭거든요. 근데 뒤에는 개노잼이에요. 만약 에이사 눈에 파란 우주가 없었다면 저는 이 영화를 끝까지 가지 않았을 겁니다. 이 넥 빼고 보는 하이틴 스타일이라고 해야 될까요? 얼굴이 개연성이라 스토리를 애써 부정하는 느낌이죠. 근데 저는 나름 이런 거 좋아합니다. 그냥 욕하면서 보는 재미가 있고 감정을 크게 소비하지 않아서 장점이기도 하죠. 장르가 SF인지 범죄인지 구분이 안되고 화성과 지구의 거리만큼 텅 빈 스토리까지 영화 자체는 추천하기 힘들지만 눈의 힐링이 필요하다면 선택해도 괜찮은 영화 스페이스 비트윈 어스였습니다. 저는 이만 인사드리도록 하겠습니다. 가시기 전에 구독과 좋아요 한 번씩 부탁드립니다. 오늘도 찾아오셔서 너무너무 감사해요. 저는 지금까지 영화를 그리는 신기 누설이었습니다.
Same time tomorrow.
Marks for me.
You have a visitor.
Gotta go.
Hey.
Hi.
Well, I'm not really. I'm running their training program now, and it's been great. Anyway, I'm getting off track. Since I couldn't spend any money, so I bought a ranch house in Boulder, Colorado. Yeah, it's a pretty big house. Gets lonely at times. Would you like to come live with me there?
Are you getting paid?
No.
Okay, because I age out in a month.
Who said anything about only a month?
Our birds into the sky.
People from Earth want exactly the same thing as people from Mars. And I should know, because I'm pretty sure I'm the only one. I don't know which is better, but here's what I do know. It's good to be home.